Welcome to our comprehensive guide on BetMGM Sportsbook for 2025. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know to make the most of your betting experience. BetMGM Sportsbook stands out with its user-friendly interface, extensive sports coverage, and competitive odds. Let's walk through the registration process. Signing up is quick and easy. Follow these steps. Understanding your payment options is crucial. BetMGM offers a variety of deposit and withdrawal methods to choose from. Explore the diverse types of bets available, whether it's straight bets, parlays, or futures. BetMGM has you covered. Maximize your betting experience with BetMGM's exciting promotions and bonuses. Let's find out how. The mobile app offers a seamless betting experience on the go. Here's how to navigate it like a pro. Need help? BetMGM provides reliable customer support through various channels. Here's how to reach them. Bet responsibly. BetMGM offers tools and resources to ensure that your fun remains safe and controlled. As we look ahead to 2025, BetMGM is committed to elevating your betting experience. Thanks for joining us.